What's up guys, in this video we're gonna check out this bezel styling from Ringke for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So if you remember the last year, I also applied one for my Galaxy Watch Ultra and it was actually pretty nice. So I used it for a year roughly and it was pretty solid. Like just give better protection and in generally very nice looking. So we're gonna check out what Ringke been up to with their new bezel styling for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So this one, as you can see, is 80. So there are a variety of them and I choose actually their most premium one. So you can see it's called Ringke Bezel Styling Premium 4680. I'll also link it in the description of this video so you can check it out as well. There are a variety of styles. I chose this one, which is black, to be the same as my original Galaxy Watch 8 Classic bezel looking. So hopefully it's gonna look great. So you can see that I have already actually a screen protector applied on my Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and it actually looks pretty great. Like I got it roughly in August, if I remember correctly, and it's been solid for the last 2 months. Let's get right in. It actually looks pretty identical to my current one. Like I must say, I'm not sure why I even changed it, to be honest. Like it very much the same one I have currently. It honestly looks pretty much the same, but I quite like the quality. I must say, like it's made of the same stainless steel quality that you have on the original one. Let me check. So yeah, we apply it this way. So let's see if it actually include anything else. Okay, so you can see that here we have also those adhesives. It comes already with a pre-applied one, but if you decide to remove it or it became loose and they fell out, even though that the one with the Galaxy Watch Ultra for a whole year, it never fell out. But in case it did, you at least have some replacement adhesives. And here there is like some instruction. I'm pretty familiar with how to apply it. And there is actually this pry tool that you can use to lift it off, like to remove it off the watch. So that's it. There is nothing else inside. So here they tell you how to remove it also. Actually, I thought that it would include also a screen protector, but in reality, it doesn't. So I'm curious to see if it's going to be compatible with my current screen protector, honestly. First, I would like to remove off the band of the watch so we can get comfortable as we do it. Okay, we are good. Let's turn off the watch also. Like I must say that it really matches the original design. Like I barely notice any kind of difference, honestly. Like I'm not even sure why I even got this one. Like perhaps maybe I made a mistake. Maybe I should have gotten, for example, a white one, a more silverish looking one. Like I don't know why I got the black when I have a black one already, to be honest. Like what's the use of it? But at least it's protective. So this way, in case I bump the watch on anything, I can easily remove this one and at least the original bezel will be intact. So hopefully also the mechanism would work with a rotating bezel, so it wouldn't be bad. We're gonna check it out. Let's remove the adhesive. Peel and do it exactly. Okay. Pretty simple to install. Let's but at least this way you can see that we didn't change actually the style of the watch. Like it looks pretty much the same, but you can see that it added more depth to the screen. Like this way, it's more elevated now. You can see it. Not sure if you can see it, but I try my best to show it. And that's it pretty much. It's pretty simple to install, honestly. It still has the same like mechanical feeling, as you can see. So you hear actually pretty much the same, like it didn't change how the rotating bezel sounds. And it's honestly the same nice, beautiful feeling, like the same experience. So you can see that it actually gave it more depth now. You can see that this styling bezel is more elevated. It's taller than the original applied one. So this way you can see that the screen now is downward. It goes very well with the smartwatch like vibe and the style. It's made of the exact stainless steel material. You can see pretty shiny. And here it's like silverish, and here at the top it's black. So exactly the same looking as the original one, but we give it more elevation, and this way it's gonna be more protective, you know? And it's very compatible with screen protectors. Like I don't see any kind of peeling off or air bubbles, like I don't see any kind of stress caused to the screen protector if you installed it right. Like the screen protector I applied was from Spigen. It's honestly very compatible with it. Pretty satisfied with the results, I would say. Like the same rotating bezel, fully working, no issues at all. You can see very, very responsive, the same way as before. And this way we add more protection to the screen as well as the original bezel. This way, if I knocked it, it would still be protected. Like I can always remove this bezel in case like it got very damaged, and the original one would be intact. So that's pretty great advantage, you know. And it has the same, exactly same style. You can see stainless steel here. On the top, it's black. So it matches this Galaxy Watch color, the black one, pretty well. Or you could choose actually different styles. Like there are plenty of them. And it was pretty easy to install. You saw how easy it was, like in just 1 second. So I quite like it, to be honest. I would say it really exceeded my expectations, because I was worried it wouldn't look as nice as before, like after applying a styling bezel, but it turned out to be even better than before. So I'm pretty glad I got this one. And you can look up if you would like to see different ones. There are also, I believe there is a white one or a silverish one. So you can check it out with different styles also, like not has those sharp edges. It could be flatter. So there are plenty of them. And Ringke, in my opinion, is doing very great when it comes to styling bezels for the Galaxy Watch series. So in case you are looking for a great styling bezel for your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, at least, I would say it's a solid choice. So what do you guys think about it? Do you think it looks better now? Do you think like it's something that you will be down for? Do you think I should have tried different style, like different color or different style at least? Or do you think it looks better this way? It looks the same? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And if you like this video, as always, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will be very supportive. And I really appreciate your time in watching this video. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next one.